welcome to this conversation. We are talking about 25th October, which is a day on Guinea's planet, and we have 23 events planned for you, right from 8:15 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. And we have many things that are happening for children and for grown-ups. And I have with me Chayanika, whose session on doll making in minutes is scheduled at 11:30 p.m. or 11:30 a.m. This is session number 6. So today's conversation is about knowing more about Chayanika and her session. So hi Chayanika, tell us about yourself. Who are you?
Hello, everyone. So thank you, Shweta, for having me today and having me to give this opportunity to do the doll making session. So I'm basically a writer by profession, but I'm also a mother to my 6-year-old daughter. And that's how the doll making thing and the passion for making dolls came because and since the lockdown started, we have been like restricted at home, doing a lot of DIYs and doing a lot of crafts with her to keep her engaged, and that's how we picked up the habit of doing dolls and doing a lot of crafts. You can see the wall behind me, so all these things we have done over the last 6-7 months. So yeah, that's how. So we actually make dolls with whatever is available at home. So since the lockdown, we were not allowed to go out, so we just picked up whatever was available. So that was like egg cartons to plastic bottles to old clothes to paper, whatever we got, we started making dolls with that. So that's how it happened.
Okay. So when people come for your session on 25th, and it's only a 30-minute session, and we're calling it doll making in minutes. So what should they expect from this session? Why should they come from it? What should they bring along?
They should have the love and the passion for dolls. So that is the first thing that they should have. And these are like dolls in minutes. So you don't need a lot of fancy stuff and a lot of things to bring along with you. You will just need to. So I'm going to teach like two kind of dolls. One is this uh, rag doll. It is very, very simple. It is also good to teach children to how to make knots because the entire doll is made with knots. There is no stitch and nothing, no sewing and anything. So even small children can do it. And it is also a very good exercise to teach because I taught my daughter how to make knots with this doll. So this is a typical African Abayomi doll, which is a rag doll. So if you have pieces of cloths at home, you can bring. So something like this. This is a little bit of stretchable material that you will need, like an old legging or something like that. And whatever pieces of cloth you have. So I have something like this and this. You can cut anything. And the second doll will be paper dolls. For that, you will need just simple chart paper, something like this. So you can have it like a single piece or you can string them together and make like a series like I've done. So for that you will just need basic colored chart papers, 3-4 colors. And yeah, that's all, scissor and glue. And of course your love for dolls and your creativity and imagination. So the dolls are not a perfect dolls like we have our Guinea. So she's not a perfect dolls and we do it with whatever is available at home. So it's not that you have to do the skin color with a particular color of chart paper. Whatever is available, you can bring that along.
Right. Thank you. So when Chayanika said that, she also referred to make your own Guinea workshops, I think, because we've met Chayanika and her daughter in those workshops as well.
Right.
So it's good to now reverse the table and have Chayanika on board as the resource person for you all. So Chayanika, tell us, why are you giving your time free for us on 25th? Because all the resource persons are giving their time free and we are charging for it so that we are able to raise funds. But why are you giving your time free?
So basically, Shweta, first of all, thank you so much for creating Guinea and Guinea's planet. Being a mother, I would love my daughter to be raised in a world that is like inclusive and where nobody is odd one out. And I really, really like the concept. We had a lot of discussions on this before while doing the workshops with you. And so this is something that I really feel that we need a lot of creating awareness, and I feel connected to the theme. So, and of course doll, so that is another passion. So when these two comes together, I just couldn't say no. It's a festival season for us, and so I think that was the best time to give my time, if in whatever way possible, to make a better planet for our children.
Right. And your daughter is sitting with you for this conversation as well. So we
Yes.
hope she'll be joining us
Yes,
for this
yeah.
workshop. Hi, Ranja. Okay. So everybody, you've heard about Chainika. You've heard how she's already like we've known each other through the workshops anyway, and the relationship has only grown stronger. And so if you want to attend her session, just book session number 6. And her time is free, but obviously we are charging 500 rupees to raise funds for ourselves. But there are also 22 other sessions happening on that day. So if you want to attend as many as you want, like right from music to cooking to conversations on social work and other stuff, book a whole day pass, which is for 1500 rupees. Go to guineasplanet.com and just go ahead and book. Thank you, everyone. And
Thank you so much.
see
Look forward to
you
seeing you, all of you.